Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best multi-cooker that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 1. Tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances just to cook one meal? Do you wish you could make dinner faster, healthier, and with less mess? Cooking doesn't have to be stressful, and this gadget might just be the solution. Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker, a versatile kitchen powerhouse that combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, rice making, sautéing, yogurt making, and more. 9-in-1 functionality: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice maker, steamer, sauté, yogurt, warmer, and sterilizer all in one. 6-quart stainless steel pot, durable and easy to clean. Touch control panel, simple, user-friendly operation with preset programs. Electric stovetop compatible, works with your kitchen setup. App integration, access over 800 recipes straight from your phone. 1000 watt power, fast and efficient cooking for busy households. Pros: saves time and counter space. Very versatile, replacing multiple appliances. Easy to clean and maintain. Great for beginners with preset functions. Cons: slightly bulky at 12.35 pounds, needs counter space. Touch controls may take a few tries to master. Perfect for busy families, students, or anyone who loves home-cooked meals without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. Ideal for beginners or seasoned cooks who want one appliance to handle almost everything. At $99.99, it's a fantastic value for a 9-in-1 multi-cooker that replaces several kitchen gadgets, saves time, and keeps cooking simple. Check the link in the description to grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick kitchen reviews. Number 2. Meet the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, a premium 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked rice maker that uses advanced induction heating to deliver perfect rice every time. Induction heating technology ensures evenly cooked, fluffy rice with precise temperature control. Twin pressure cooking speeds up cooking while preserving taste and nutrients. 20 menu modes, from white rice, brown rice, porridge, and sushi rice to slow cooking and multi-cooking options. Voice guide feature guides you through cooking steps for a hassle-free experience. Versatile multi-cooker functions as both a rice maker and a pressure cooker for soups, stews, and more. 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked capacity, perfect for families or small gatherings. Pros: consistently cooks perfect rice. Easy to use with voice guidance. Multifunctional for rice, porridge, and more. Induction heating gives even, high-quality cooking. Cons: premium price point at $439.75. Larger footprint may take up counter space. Requires hand washing for maintenance. Ideal for rice lovers, families, and home cooks who want consistently perfect rice and versatile cooking options. Great for anyone seeking a high-end, reliable kitchen appliance for both rice and multi-cooking. At $439.75, it's an investment, but for those who value perfectly cooked rice and advanced cooking technology, it's a premium appliance that can replace multiple devices in your kitchen. Number 3. Meet the COSORI Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP-PHTR0609FS, a 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked premium rice cooker with induction heating, silent pressure system, and modern smart features. Induction heating technology cooks rice evenly and efficiently. Silent pressure system minimizes noise while pressure cooking. Open cooking mode gives flexibility for slow cooking or sautéing. Dynamic display, easy to read interface with cooking status. Eco inner pot, durable, non-stick, and environmentally friendly. 6-cup uncooked/12-cup cooked capacity, perfect for family meals. Hand wash recommended, keeps the inner pot in top condition. Pros: extremely quiet operation. Precise and consistent rice cooking. Multifunctional for rice, porridge, and other dishes. Modern display and user-friendly interface. Cons: high price at $469.99. Requires counter space for its size. Hand washing can be less convenient than dishwasher-safe models. Ideal for families, rice enthusiasts, and home cooks who want premium quality rice with advanced features. Perfect for those who value silent operation and versatile cooking options. Priced at $469.99, it's a premium investment but offers top-notch performance, versatility, and quiet cooking, making it a worthwhile choice for serious home cooks. Number 4. Meet the Instant Pot Pro 8-quart 10-in-1 Multicooker, a powerful kitchen companion that combines pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sous vide, yogurt making, and more, all in one sleek black appliance. 10-in-1 functionality: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice/grain cooker, steamer, sauté, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, warmer, and more. 8-quart capacity, perfect for families or meal prepping. 1,400 watt power, cooks meals quickly and efficiently. Programmable touch controls, easy operation with over 800 recipes via the companion app. Matte black stainless steel finish, stylish, durable, and easy to clean. Sous vide and sterilizer functions, adds versatility beyond traditional multicookers. Pros: large 8-quart capacity for big meals. Combines 10 functions in one appliance. Fast cooking with high wattage and app guidance. Sleek, modern design with touch controls. Cons: heavier at 15.83 pounds, requiring counter space. Slight learning curve for advanced features like sous vide. Ideal for families, busy home cooks, and anyone who wants a versatile appliance that can handle almost any cooking task from rice to sous vide without multiple gadgets cluttering the kitchen. At $199.99, it's a mid-range multi-cooker that offers excellent value, combining 10 appliances in one, saving time, space, and effort in the kitchen. Number 5. Meet the COSORI 6-quart 9-in-1 pressure cooker, a versatile and budget-friendly multi-cooker that combines 9 cooking functions with safety and convenience for everyday meals. 9-in-1 cooking functions: pressure cooker, slow cook, rice, sauté, sous vide, steam, porridge, yogurt, and warmer. 13-in-1 cooking presets, makes meal prep simple and precise. Ceramic nonstick inner pot, easy to clean and healthier cooking. 1,100 watt power, fast and efficient cooking. 12 safety features, includes pressure control and hassle-free steam release switch. Touch control panel, user-friendly interface with included recipe book. Compact 6-quart capacity, fits most family cooking needs. Pros: affordable at just $80.93. Multifunctional, replaces several kitchen appliances. Safe and easy to use with 12 built-in safety features. Ceramic inner pot for easy cleanup and healthier meals. Cons: smaller 6-quart capacity may not suit larger families. Advanced features like sous vide may need some learning curve. Perfect for small families, students, or anyone looking for an affordable all-in-one multi-cooker that saves time and space in the kitchen. Great for beginners who want a safe, easy-to-use device. At $80.93, it's one of the most budget-friendly multi-cookers on the market, offering excellent value with its 9-in-1 versatility, safety features, and easy maintenance.